In this video, we are going to discuss leadership qualities and competence in Ethiopia civil service. Quality is not enough. Competence and quality goes together. Thank you. Let's go.
Question number 1. Which of the following is the most important quality of a leader in Ethiopia civil service? A. Being feared by employee. B. Having a university degree only. C. Integrity and leading by example. D. Working alone without input from others. What do you think is the answer? The answer is C. Integrity builds trust and leading by an example to motivate what? Subordinate. This is one of the quality of a good leader. Let's look at question number 2. Number 2, a leader who involves team member in decision making is practicing A. Autocratic leadership, B. Participatory leadership, C. Laissez-faire leadership, and D. Transitional leadership. The answer is B. Participatory leadership. Encourage input and ownership from teamwork. He encouraged the other team member to contribute to the development of the work. That is a good characteristic of a leader. Let's look at question number 3. Thank you. Question number 3 say, I hope you have subscribed. Which leadership competence is the most critical during a national crisis, e.g., draft or conflict? A. Decisiveness under pressure. B. Ability to write a long report. C. Avoid communication with public. D. Delegating everything to the junior. The correct answer is A. Decisiveness under pressure. Decisiveness and calm decision making are essential in emergency. You have to calm the situation first as a good leader. Number 4. Transformational leadership is best described as A. Maintaining a status quo. B. Inspiring and motivate employee to achieve extraordinary outcomes. C. Punishing mistake harshly. D. Avoiding any change in the working place. What do you think is the answer? The answer is B. Inspiring and motivate employee to achieve extraordinary outcome. That is number what? Let's move to number 5. In Ethiopia civil service, a leader who treats all the employees fairly is regarded of its ethnicity or religion demonstrates A. Is there nepotism, favoritism, impartiality, or authoritarianism? The answer is C. Impartiality. Number 6. Which of the following is a sign of poor leadership? Providing clear direction, recognizing employee achievement, blaming subordinate for every failure, offering training and opportunity. The answer is C. Everything you blame the subordinate. Number 7. In Affirmative 10, Marinette means A. Fellowship, leadership, management, administration. The answer is B. Direct translation. Number 8. An effective under civil service leadership should be communicate with subordinate by giving order only through writing memo. B. Avoiding one-on-one conversation. C. Listen actively and provide constructive feedback. Speaking only affirmative to all the employees. The answer is C. Active listening, feedback, and trust the clarity. Number 9. Which leadership style is the most appropriate when team members are highly experienced and self-motivated? A. Autocratic. C. Micromanagement. C. Hand-off. C. Dictatorial. When you have a good worker, you leave them on their own. C. Number 10. A leadership who take responsibility for a team failure demonstrate A. Weakness, accountability, incontinence, indiscipline. The answer is B. Accountability is the mark of professional leadership. When they win, the glory goes to the leader, and also if they lose, also the blame should go to the leader. So a leader must make sure that he win all the time. A winning for the leader is a winning for the team. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Until I come your way next time. Bye for now.